Hey, we're back, and today we're going to talk about your garbage disposal. It may not need to be replaced. You might be able to just fix it yourself. Any DIYer might be able to fix it.
Hmm.
But before we get into that, make sure you hit that subscribe button, dingle on the bell, and that way you get notified next time we post a new video. Okay, your garbage disposal isn't working, so you call your guy that you normally do, your handyman, your plumber, whoever you're calling. I got a call from somebody and they said, my garbage disposal isn't working. Can you come out and replace it? And I said, well, yes, we can probably come out and replace it, but I'm not sure that you may not
You
need to
need a
have
new one.
need a
Right.
new one, right? So she said, well, yeah, but it's not working. How am I going to fix it? I said, well, make sure your switch is off on the wall. And she said, okay, yeah, it's off. And I said, okay, so now I want you to reach underneath and you see if you feel a little button or a little tab or something sticking out. And and she said, "Oh, yeah." I said, "Okay, push that button in." So she pushed the button in, and I said, "Okay, now try the garbage disposal. Hit the switch again." And she hit the switch and boom, fired right up, just like brand new. So, you might need a new garbage disposal, but then again, you might not. So
So
let's
that's
talk.
the circuit breaker on the bottom of the.
Right. So let's do a quick share here, and we can describe this because it's hard to.
Well, you can't usually see the bottom of your.
Yeah,
You
you
can't
don't.
see the bottom of your garbage disposal.
Correct. You don't normally look underneath there.
Right.
Who's going to stick their head underneath that far into the into their cabinet to look for it? So there you go. There's a little reset button right there, and
Hmm.
and then you've got your cover plate for the electrical.
For the
Hopefully,
power cord, right?
yeah. Hopefully, this is not hanging open and wires are hanging out, which is what we find.
Nine out of 10 times.
Yes,
Me
because that
too.
that cover's hard to get on.
Not if you put the cord on before you install the garbage disposal.
Correct. Then you lay there, you put it all together, and then you slide it up, put the lock ring on there.
So, and that's the other interesting thing. The lock ring, they give you that crazy angled shaped wrench for locking up that lock ring.
Yes,
But that's also the tool for, yes, the flywheel turning wrench hole.
right there.
Oh, you got more pictures.
I got an extra picture for that.
So most people don't realize that. So if you got a chicken bone or something stuck inside your garbage disposal, you can reach under there, and that's how you can dislodge it safely. You don't have to stick silverware in there and all that. I use a borescope and I look to see what's caught in there sometimes. But
Right.
the other thing that's funny is a lot of people think there's like a cutter head in there, and it's not. It's just like these big steel blocks that just kind of bang everything to death. And personally, I don't like garbage disposals. I just think it leads a path for cockroaches to find your kitchen sink. But
Well, and then you have people like my wife that thinks it's a food processor and
mhm.
puts everything down through there. So,
I see lots of people that do that. I was at a friend's house and they were doing that. And I said, I wouldn't recommend doing that because you're just going to clog up your pipes.
uh-huh,
And then guess what happened one Saturday night when they were having a dinner party?
uh-huh. It got all clogged up.
It got all clogged up. So honestly, it's not a trash compactor.
No, no.
It's just well, it's a little rinse down there is not a big deal.
Yep. So there you go. If it's bound up and it's not working, you've hit the reset button. Then you make sure your hands are clear. You hit the switch, and it's still like it's moaning and groaning and it's not sounding normal. Then you want to turn it back off. Put this wrench in there. Give that a spin, 360 a couple times. Take the wrench back out. Don't leave it in there, and then try the switch again with your hands clear. And hopefully, it clears it up. And you've just done a 2 minute, 1 or 2 minute repair that saved you a couple $100.
If you can find that Allen wrench.
Yes. Yeah. Usually I tape them to the side. So I don't, when I do them, I tape them to the side of the garbage disposal. But
Nice.
a lot of times you'll find them laying around in the bottom
Yeah, mine
of
I
the
know is
cabinet.
laying in my plastic tray in the cabinet. Yeah.
Yes, exactly. So there you go. You want a quick fix for your garbage disposal? It's pretty simple.
Mhm.
So there's a quick, easy fix. You may not need a new garbage disposal. You
Probably
might
not.
just need to hit the little red button, and then it'll work like brandy new.
There
So,
you go.
all right.
Piece of cake.
Yes, and it'll eat cake too. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, dingle on the bell, and of course, that'll notify you the next time we've got a new video coming out. So with that, I'll say keep it square and level.
Till next time.
Until next time, there you go.